Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I have Redmi Note 5. In this video I will do the unboxing of this phone. On back you can see it have 18:9 aspect ratio, front selfie light, 2 megapixel camera, 4000 mAh battery and Snapdragon 625, 3GB and 32GB black in color. Let's open the box. Here we get a plastic case to protect your phone, and we get the basic manual, and we get the phone itself. We will come back to this phone later. And we have got a micro USB cable, SIM ejector tool. We got an adapter with 5V 2A which do not support fast charging. That's what we get into the box. Let's keep this thing side. For now, jump to the phone. Volume up and down key, power key. On the bottom you can see speaker, micro USB port and the SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray. It's the hybrid SIM card slot. You can put 2 nano SIM or 1 SD card and 1 SIM. In front we get 5 megapixel camera with flash and indicator light. Back you can see the 12 megapixel camera, dual LED flash, fingerprint sensor and MI branding, 3.5 headphone jack, secondary noise cancellation and IR blaster. Let's power on the phone. Here come the quick specs of this phone. So Redmi Note 5, Snapdragon 625 octa-core, 3GB of RAM, 18:9 Full HD LCD display, 32GB internal storage, 2 megapixel real camera, 5 megapixel front camera with flash, 4000 mAh battery and fingerprint sensor. And I will quickly set up the phone. I just finished setting up the phone. And it's come with the Android 7.1 Nougat and with 32GB internal storage. You can get about 24GB of internal storage. Let's check the camera sample. This photo is captured from real facing camera. And this photo is captured from front facing camera with flash and without flash. Now let's put the fingerprint sensor. Let's try the fingerprint. It is very fast and response. Hope you will like this video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.